How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. This right here is the Bestong cable concealer. Bunch of plastic channels that you can conceal your cables in that you stick to the wall or you mount to it with these anchors. It all came in this little box. Here's everything that comes in the package. There's 10 long pieces. Each one of these is actually 15 and 3/4 inch long. So if you add up 10 of these, it's actually 157.5 inch. So when it says 157, it actually doesn't include the lengths of these connectors. It includes 6 elbows, 9 straightaway connectors, so theoretically you can connect all 10 of them in a straight path. There's 2 T-joints and these little angle things that allow you to come off of the wall or over a corner. There's enough sets of anchors to put 2 screws per length of these, and you will use this tape to attach it to the wall. So now let's install a section of this. If you have all your messy cables tucked inside these cable concealers, good for you, because I have a huge mess of cables everywhere. This is just one of like a dozen examples. I'm having the cable bend off of this ledge here and down into this channel and then turn that way. And I need about 20.25 inch of this. The channels just snap together. This is the backing material and this is the cover. And it just goes on like that. Let's see how easy or hard it is to cut. Not the nicest job, but as soon as you put in the corner piece, it's gonna be hidden anyway. Apply the tape. You got the rest of this, so you can go neatify other messy cables. Just remove the backing. I'm using this leveler. We put this channel on. I got this little angle piece. Put that right there. Oh my gosh, that looks so nice. I didn't think I would actually like it that much, but this actually looks really good. It's so easy to do, actually. And then this one, cover that up. Super professional. Nice round corner. I got the joint right here and then the L joint. And then right here, it just goes behind the TV. If you guys are interested in this product, check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.